How to use SEMrush to research YouTube competitors. In today's digital landscape, understanding your YouTube competitors is crucial for channel growth. SEMrush offers tools that, while primarily designed for website analysis, can provide valuable insights into your competitors' strategies. Start by identifying your competitors' websites or associated domains. Using SEMrush's traffic analytics, you can assess their overall traffic, top-performing pages, and referral sources. This information can hint at the content types and topics that resonate with their audience. Additionally, SEMrush's Keyword Gap tool allows you to compare the keywords your competitors rank for against your own. By identifying these gaps, you can uncover content opportunities for your channel. Remember, while SEMrush doesn't directly analyze YouTube channels, its suite of tools can offer indirect insights to refine your content strategy. For a more comprehensive analysis, consider integrating SEMrush with other tools tailored for YouTube analytics.